Welcome back to Everything Abroad, where we delve into the incredible world of job opportunities in Canada. If you're seeking a fulfilling career in the realm of cleaning and maintenance jobs in Canada with visa sponsorship, today, we're going to unveil a spectrum of roles that not only keep spaces sparkling. So, make sure you stick around till the end, you won't want to miss out on these gems.
Benefit and salary.
Now, let's talk about the cherry on top, working in Canada. The land of maple leaves offers not only breathtaking landscapes but also a quality of life that's second to none. As a cleaning and maintenance professional here, you'll experience a supportive work environment, fair wages, and opportunities for growth that are as vast as the Canadian wilderness. Plus, the multicultural tapestry of Canada means you'll be part of a diverse and vibrant community that celebrates differences. Over 20,000 job vacancies are waiting to be filled in these sectors. Cleaning and maintenance workers earn around $50,000 annually.
Types of cleaning and maintenance jobs.
Janitor, custodian, creating pristine environments. Picture this, transforming messy spaces into shining havens. That's what a janitor or custodian does. From tidying up offices to maintaining hygiene in public areas, these unsung heroes ensure every nook and cranny is spotless. Housekeeper, crafting comfortable retreats. Imagine the joy of entering a beautifully kept home after a long day. Housekeepers work magic by turning houses into cozy sanctuaries, leaving a trail of happiness wherever they go. Building maintenance worker, guardians of infrastructure. Buildings need love too. These skilled professionals play a crucial role in preserving the structural integrity of buildings, ensuring that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Groundskeeper, landscaper, sculpting nature's beauty. If the sight of lush gardens and perfectly manicured lawns brings a smile to your face, then becoming a groundskeeper or landscaper might just be your calling. These artists of nature curate breathtaking outdoor spaces that leave people in awe. Industrial cleaner, champions of cleanliness in industries. Industrial settings can get messy, but fear not, industrial cleaners are here to save the day. They tackle grime and grease in factories, ensuring a safe and clean environment for everyone. Carpet cleaner, reviving elegance underfoot. Carpets deserve the royal treatment too. Carpet cleaners restore the beauty of carpets and rugs, giving them a new lease on life and bringing vibrancy to living spaces. Window cleaner, touching the sky, one pane at a time. Ever looked out of a perfectly clean window and felt like you were floating in the clouds? Window cleaners elevate your view by ensuring windows sparkle, inviting in the sunlight and the world outside. Commercial kitchen cleaner, guardians of culinary hygiene. Behind every delicious meal is a sparkling clean kitchen. Commercial kitchen cleaners maintain the highest standards of hygiene, ensuring that culinary magic happens in pristine environments. Now, let's talk about the qualities that these remarkable roles demand. Ability to work both alone and in a team. From independent tasks to collaborative efforts, these roles require individuals who can shine on their own and seamlessly blend into a team when needed. A reasonable level of fitness. Cleaning and maintenance can be physically demanding, so having a good level of fitness ensures that you can tackle any challenge that comes your way. Language proficiency. Effective communication is key, both with colleagues and sometimes with clients. Proficiency in the local language enhances your ability to provide exceptional service. Basic maintenance skills. A knack for basic repairs and maintenance tasks is a definite plus. It empowers you to handle small issues that might arise while on the job, showcasing your versatility. How to apply for these jobs? Ready to take the next steps toward your exciting cleaning and maintenance jobs in Canada? Here's what you need to do. First, ensure you meet all the requirements we discussed earlier. Next, check the link in comment and description for Canadian employers. who are actively seeking cleaning and maintenance workers and offering visa sponsorship. Look for job postings that explicitly mention visa sponsorship. Or reach out to employers directly to inquire about sponsorship opportunities. The provided links have advanced filter search features available for both Canadians and international candidates with juicy job benefits. Similarly, all these jobs are arranged according to the number of vacancies available per province. Explore the websites and select your desired job as seen on your device. Ensure the salary package associated with each job post is best pleasing to you. Don't forget there are thousands of job opportunities shown. So, ensure you select the ones that are still active. Tailor your CV resume to highlight your relevant experience, skills, and qualifications. Finally, submit your application to the employer. Remember, with the support of employers offering visa sponsorship, you have a higher chance of success in obtaining a work permit. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this captivating video, packed with invaluable information about cleaning and maintenance jobs in Canada. We hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Remember, your dream career in Canada is just one step away. Keep exploring, stay motivated, and good luck on your journey. Bye.